So my husband has been bugging me about cleaning out the cabinet where we keep our Tupperware and stuff like that. So it was on my list to clean out the cabinet. I really do have a list of stuff that I need to get done, but to be honest, it's stuff that I really don't feel like doing. But I planned on getting it cleaned out since I'm off work until Monday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, but he went under the cabinet yesterday to look for something to put the leftovers up, and he made a big mess and he started fussing about getting it cleaned out. So it's crazy because I was actually going to do it today. But it's like when somebody tells you you have to do something, you're like, oh, now I don't feel like doing it because he's telling me I got to do it. So I'm actually going to head to the dollar store to get some containers. I really don't have a plan of action. I actually need to clean out all my cabinets. All 3 bathrooms need to be cleaned out under the cabinets. I have my linen closet in between my daughter's room and the bathroom that needs to be organized really bad. I cleaned it out once and organized it, and my other daughter cleaned it out, organized it, and now it's back a mess. So that actually is on my list of things to do. So I'm going to head off to the dollar store and see what I can find. Well, that was a wasted trip. They did not have anything. It's crazy how some Dollar Trees have a variety of things, and the one I have does not really have a lot of things that I see on TikTok, YouTube, whatever. So I'm gonna go to Family Dollar and see what they have. I really don't have a plan of action. I should have just shot my home first, but I did not. So I'm gonna go to Family Dollar, see what they have, and maybe grab a couple things. I usually like all of my things to match, but at this point I just need to get it done, cleaned out. Not even sure what I need. I should have checked beforehand, but that wouldn't be me if I checked beforehand. I'm very impulsive, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what Family Dollar has. I keep saying Family Dollar, I mean Dollar General. Family Dollar is down the road a little bit, and I don't feel like going down that far, so I'm going to head over to Dollar General. Okay, Dollar General had a couple things, so I just grabbed a couple of those. I'm just going to work with what I have and clean it out. I'm not doing too much organizing. I'm just going to get things matched up. Containers that came from the Chinese store, which is probably why we have the problem, is because he keeps them. I try to throw them away. We wash them out and then we put them in recycle. So I'm gonna see what can be kept, what can be thrown away, because we don't need all of those containers. So back home I go. Just gonna show what I bought real quick. So I got a couple of these black trays. Excuse my table, I'm about to start de-falling around here. So I got a couple of these, not necessarily for this project, but I did need them. I got a couple of the bigger ones. These came from Dollar Tree. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. My basement I'm gonna decorate in traditional colors. Up here is gonna be teal, white, silver, maybe a little bit of gold. So I got this one as well that says peace. Got this one that says joy. Picked these up from Dollar General. These are True Living baskets. To me, these are too expensive. I think one was $6 and one was like $4, but they are sturdy though. So I got these from Dollar Tree, these little baskets. And then I got 2 sets of these baskets this size. Also picked up this cute little snowman for up here. Probably gonna decorate over there with it. But I got this and he was $6. For downstairs, I picked up this little snowman and he was $6 as well. So that's what I picked up. I also picked up some hot chips, Pepsi, and some gummy candy because I can't resist gummy candy. So I had to get that. So just showing you real quick what I brought. And I'm about to get started on my little project. All right, let me show you all what it's looking like under this cabinet. Here we are. This whole cabinet needs to be cleaned up again for the 3rd time. This is what it's looking like. I got rid of a couple things last night, but not enough. And actually, this was under there too. I had purchased this. This is supposed to be a lid organizer, and you put your lids in there. But I was finding that it really didn't work for us. So I'm gonna have to see if I'm gonna reuse it or get rid of it. I don't know. Maybe I could use it for something else. This was under there. This does not even belong to me. This belongs to my best friend's aunt. I've had it for so long that I need to return it to her if she wants it back. But it's a bundt cake pan. So I've had it for years. She let me borrow it. I'm thinking I've actually had it for maybe 15 years. I feel bad that I've had it this long. This was under there too. It's like a little snack tray. I'm gonna be having a little holiday party with my Mikai sisters. We're doing donations for the homeless, so we're gonna be packaging all of those up. And I'm gonna serve some snacks in here. I also had this tray in there, which we use for taco night. We put all the toppings and stuff in there, and this is what we use for that. So I have to find a new home. It's crazy how you get a new house and you think you're going to have more room because it's bigger than your old house, and it's just not enough room. I'm going to go ahead and show you under here these cabinets, which I'll be reworking as well, just not today. But yeah, I need to get some type of order. Like, am I going to keep one for all my baking goods and stuff like that? I love porcelain dishes, so I have a lot of white porcelain here and everywhere else. So yep, that's that. Oops, I'll let you know it's too much stuff in there. This right here is just where we keep our pots and pans, right there. This will be getting cleaned out as well. This is probably I should put my baking things over here, or like my party stuff over here. That's probably what I should do. So let me say I don't have enough room. I'm just not utilizing the space well. That's all under there. And then I have these drawers as well. Basically nothing. Temptations holders, you know, for dishware and stuff that I don't use. My Temptations dishware, manuals. This was actually full with stuff, and I cleaned it out not too long ago. Not going into all the cabinets, but you know. And until we get our bar done in the basement, we're gonna build a recessed bar in the basement. But once I do that, all my barware will be going down there, so I can get out of here. But that's just a sneak peek of what's going on in these cabinets here. But like I said, this is the cabinet that I'm going to be focusing on today. Hi, Bentley. Okay, I started emptying the cabinets out. I started a little bit, well, excuse me, a lot of it, ways to go. I was trying to come up with a system, but ain't no system right now. I'm just gonna throw everything up here. That's what I'm gonna do. One side done. Over there's nice and done. Gotta do this. And the bottom part. Not too much more to go on the bottom. This is what's left on the bottom to do. This right here. Gosh, I did not even know we had a wok under here or whatever, electric skillet. I was saying I wanted to buy one. I forgot we had one. Even when I looked in here last night, I didn't see it. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this out and then I'll come back. All right, so this is where we are. This came from out of the cabinet. It's right here. That was in there last night. All of this was in there. All of that down there. That. Then we have this right here. The crock pot wasn't in there. We keep that elsewhere. Yep, so this is all that was in there. Ooh, I forgot one. Wow, look at there, forgot one. So next I'm gonna wipe this out with some wipes and get started. At what I did. Over here on this side, I have all of my lids. These containers right here, I actually use these for my fresh fruits. I don't have any right now, so they're going to be in there till I get some. So I have all the lids here, shape-wise. I tried to put mainly the circle lids over here. Down here, I have bowls going all the way back, just the odd shape ones like the meal prep bowls. Some more lids that I couldn't fit up there. This one over here have all the Tupperware, all of the Tupperware. So we have plenty of bowls. I have my little salad store things right there, my salad dressing things. And underneath, for now, I still have the wok and the griddle under here. When I clean out another space, I think I may move them. I'm not sure yet. But, yep, that's the completed project. My husband's not home from work yet, but he should be happy that it's all done.